the easiest way to explain it to somebody is it's spinning, right? If it's not reverse thread and it's spinning, it's going to loosen itself, right? That's the purpose of being reverse thread. So once we can teach them that that's kind of standard, anything that spins is going to be reverse thread, it'll kind of stick with them. And if, you know, on the bad thing about it is if they don't understand that it's reverse thread and they start using the tool, they're going to probably strip it.